Welcome back to our physics class. The previous class we discussed about distance and displacement. Today let us learn speed and velocity. First, what is speed? Speed of a body is the distance traveled by the body in unit time. If a body travels a distance s in time t, then its speed v is equal to s by t. Here s is the distance and t is the time taken. The SI unit of speed is meter per second. We know the SI unit of distance is meter and the SI unit of time is second. So SI unit of speed is meter per second. Since speed has only magnitude, so it is a scalar quantity. Here is an example for speed. There are two cars, a red car and a grey car. The red car is at the speed of 30 meter per second. That means that car travels 30 meter in a second. Then second one, the grey car is at the speed of 40 meter per second. That means the grey car travels 40 meter in a second. Then average speed. What is average speed? It is the ratio of the total distance traveled to the total time taken. That means average speed is equal to total distance traveled divided by total time taken. Here is an example problem. A car travels 85 km from point A to B. Then 45 km from point B to C. The total time took was 1.3 hours. What was the average speed of the car? We know average speed is equal to total distance per time taken. So total distance is equal to A to B plus B to C. From A to B, that is 85 km, then B to C 45 km. So A to B plus B to C is equal to 130 km. Then total time taken is equal to 1.3 hours. That is given in question. So average speed, we know average speed is equal to total distance covered by total time. So total distance we calculated here 130. So 130 divided by 1.3, that is equal to 100 km per hour. So here the answer is 100 km per hour. Next, velocity. What is velocity? The quantity which specifies both the direction of motion and speed is velocity. Velocity of a body is the displacement of the body per unit time. So velocity is equal to displacement divided by time taken. We know what is speed. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Then velocity is equal to displacement by time taken. We know what is displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position. Velocity has both the magnitude and direction. So it is a vector quantity. We studied speed is a scalar quantity. It has only magnitude, but velocity is a vector quantity. It has both magnitude and direction. Here is an example. Speed with direction is known as velocity. Here a car moving 30 meter per hour east. The next 60 meter per hour east. Then 60 meter per hour northwest. In these examples explain with the direction. The next, average velocity. It is the ratio of the total displacement to the total time taken. We studied about average speed. That is the ratio of the distance to the time taken. Here average velocity It is the ratio of the total displacement to the total time taken. So average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. Average velocity is also the mean of the initial velocity u and final velocity v. So average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2, or we know initial velocity is equal to u and final velocity v. So u plus v divided by 2. Speed and velocity have the same unit, that is meter per second. So SI unit of velocity is meter per second and also SI unit of speed is meter per second. Then here is a problem related to velocity. If a car changes its speed from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second in just 5 seconds, what is the average velocity of the car? The data given, u is equal to 10 meter per second. That means u is the initial velocity and v is the final velocity, that is 20 meter per second. This question tells a car changes its speed from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second. So the speed of the car first 10 meter per second. So that is first velocity, that is u. Then it changes to 20 meter per second, that is the final velocity. Final, its speed will be 20. So v is equal to 20 meter per second. So v is the final velocity. Then time taken 5 seconds. These changes occur at between 5 seconds. In 5 seconds. These changes occur in 5 seconds. So time taken is 5 seconds. We know the equation for average velocity, that is u plus v by 2. So substitute these values, 20 plus 10, that is 30, divided